Good morning. I am Dr. A Sethupathy, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Engineering, Coimbatore. Today we will discuss about gas welding process. In welding, there are so many types: arc welding, gas welding, submerged arc welding, then friction welding, resisting welding. So this is one of the type of welding process. We are using the gases to joining the metals. So this is called a gas welding process. So gas welding is a welding process utilizing heat of the flame from a welding torch. So welding torch is used to creating a flame from the which gas we will use. So the torch mixes a fuel gas with oxygen in the proper ratio and flow rate, providing combustion process at a required temperature. So the torch we can use for the purpose of the which gas we will use to joining the metal and with oxygen. They are mixing with the ratio. So this is the equipment used is torch. So the hot flame fuses the edges of the welded parts which are joined together, forming a weld after solidification. So what are the equipments we are using in this gas welding process? Fuel gas cylinder with pressure regulator. So this gas will be going to melting the metals for joining purpose. So oxygen cylinder with pressure regulation. So oxygen is to accomplish with the fuel gas for continued flaming purpose. Then welding torch. Then blue oxygen hose. The hose is connected with the oxygen cylinder. Then red fuel gas hose. This is connected from the fuel gas cylinder. Then trolley for transportation of the gas cylinders. So we can move the cylinders nearby the work area. So the trolley is used. So the figure shows the gas welding equipments. The two cylinders connected with pressure regulators and blue hose and red hose. Blue hose connected with oxygen and red hose connected with the fuel gas. Then welding torch. The torch have needle valves. The valves adjusted the flow of the gases. Then black is oxygen cylinder, red is fuel gas cylinder. Black is fuel gas cylinder. Red is fuel gas cylinder. Black is oxygen cylinder. So the weld joint formation for the workpiece, the two workpieces joined by gas welding process. So the figure shows the clear picture of process. So this is the indication of gas cylinder with color codes. Each color represents the different type of fuel gases. The red is hydrogen, then maroon is acetylene, then brown is helium, then red, yellow, black is combination ammonia, yellow is chlorine. So this is the examples of which type of fuel gas we will use in the process. So that gas cylinder color indicates inside which type of gas is filled. So the principle of the gas welding, acetylene flame has a temperature about 6000 Fahrenheit, that is 3300 degrees centigrade. Combustion of acetylene proceeds in two stages. Number one, inner core of the flame, then outer envelope of the flame. So these are the chemical composition of the gas forms, how to use in this process. So welding torch have both the fuel gas and oxygen at suitable pressure fed through hoses to the welding torch. There are valves for each gas which control the flow of gases inside the torch. Both gases mix there and form a flammable mixture. These gas ignite to burn at the nozzle. So the pressure regulators, we can control the pressures because the thick plate and thin plate, we are using different type of workpieces. So both oxygen and fuel gases are filled in cylinder at high pressure. These gases cannot be used at this high pressure for welding work. So a pressure regulator is used between flow. It supplies oxygen at pressure about 70 to 130 kilonewton per meter square and gas at 7 to 103 kilonewton per meter square to the welding torch. So this is the assessment for each color gas is filled with which type of gas. So this is the welding equipments when we are using gas welding. These safety equipments we can use gloves and goggles. So the goggles means the welding goggles. So this is the working principle of gas welding. The metal pieces to be welded together or heated to record temperature to melt, and then a filler is added to the melted metal in order to create a strong connection. The oxygen and the fuel is mixed to create a flame, which then can be directed along the metal to create the desired effect. The torch is moved by hand to help control the process and final results. So the figure shows the process or principles of gas welding. The heating flame and cutting oxygen, fuel, gas, how they together in torch. So the cross section of the plant torch cross section will be shown clearly. So this is the gas welding process. Thank you.